Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Akpeje. Today I'm making some yellow rice with fried chicken. So I'm using chicken wings and then chicken breast. So I add some lemon juice to my chicken, then I'll mix it with the chicken very well and grab my oil, then I add some and mix it with the chicken very well again. This will make the seasoning go inside the chicken very well. So I'm using garlic powder and then onion powder. So I'll add my garlic powder to the chicken and then my onion powder. That's masala seasoning. I'll add my masala seasoning, oregano, that's chili pepper. I want my chicken to be hot, so I'm using chili pepper. If you don't like your chicken hot, avoid this, don't use it. Curry powder, I add my complete seasoning. That's my favorite seasoning. I use it in everything I cook. So tell me, what is that special seasoning you use for to cook every food you cook? Let me know at the comment section. So I'm using some cumin powder, black pepper, then I'll add some Maggi, then my seasoning salt. You can use salt instead of this. Then I'll grab one egg and bust it and mix it and share it on it. Then I'll use my clean hand and mix everything together very well. So this is how it look like. So now I'll grab my flour and pour some inside bowl and start seasoning it. I use garlic powder and onion powder, black pepper, and then seasoning salt. I'm adding some baking powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. This will make the chicken very crunchy. Then I'll mix it very well. So I grab my frying pan and add some oil and put it on fire. Now I'll start by putting my chicken inside the flour. So tell me, how do you fry your chicken? I want to know, so let me know at the comment section. So I will shake it very well for the flour to go on the chicken before I start frying it. Voila! So now my oil is hot. Let me start frying my chicken. So I'm frying the chicken breast first because this one does not last before cook. So I'll fry the chicken breast first before my chicken wings. So guys, for my green pepper, I'm using hot pepper, spring onion, green pepper, onion, and then ginger. So I'm using oil to blend this pepper. Then I'll pour it inside the pot. I will not add any oil again. When this pepper is boiling, the oil will come at the top, then you know that it's cooked. But I put it at low heat. So now my chicken is ready. The first one is ready. So I'm removing it. Then I'll start frying the chicken wings. So for the yellow rice, I'm using 2 cloves of garlic and then half onion. So my green pepper, can you see that the oil has come at the top? So it's time to season it. Let me be heating my yellow rice pot first. So for the seasoning for the green pepper, I'm using Maggi and then my favorite seasoning, complete season. Then I'll mix it very well. Then I'll let it cook like some minutes, then I'll off it. Yes, the taste is good. So back to the yellow rice, I add some oil into the pot and add my chopped garlic and onion and fry it like 5 seconds and add my rice and start frying it. So I'll fry this like 1 minute. Then I'm seasoning it. I'm adding some salt, 1 Maggi, turmeric powder, that's the magic. Then I'll mix it very well. So I'm going to fry this a little bit. Then I heat my water and I add my water to the rice. So this rice, I'm using 8 cups of rice. So I added 9 cups of water. So I cover it a minute ago. I come and check it, the water all is gone. So I'll just stir it. I'll stir it. Are you see how the rice is looking already? Are you loving it? Then I'll cover it with my flour and cover it and bring the flour at the top of the cover. Then I'll go and come and stir it like 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, then I'll come and stir it. This is not on high heat, it's on low heat. The fire is low because I don't want to end up burning my rice. So I'll cover it again. Then I go and remove my chicken. Can you see how the chicken is looking? Are you loving it? Are you seeing what I'm saying? This chicken is very crunchy. So let me check my rice again. Can you see how the rice is removing one? At this point, my rice is ready. Yes, it's ready and sweet and the aroma is So now I just remove my flour and then voila! The rice is ready to chop. Guys, are you loving it? If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share the video, give your girl a thumbs